Hello, in this one I will explain how to cite a URL in LaTeX easily. So yeah, I guess you know a basic about LaTeX. So what you have to do is you have two files. One is for bibliography you have .bib file, and you have one main text file where you are writing your thesis or your article. So what you have to do is you open your ref file. Okay, so here I am going to put I'll leave this template in the description box. I'll leave this I am putting this template. Okay, so in this template you can know how to write the URL, how to put the URL. So suppose this is a website. Actually, suppose you have a question like where SiGe HBTs are used. So you have find a website and you want to cite it. So now you can see, you know the website, what the description, you know the author name here, you know the date of publication and the URL here. So these things you need. So I have already made a template. So now this is what it will show, and the author is here, the title is this one, date of publication is here, and here is the URL. Now in the BIB file you just put this template and save. So according to your URL you just change the things, then close it. You open your main thesis file or your article file. Now suppose you want to cite it, /cite. You can see that one we have read why and where SiGe HBTs are used. Just enter and run. Now you see here you got the, and you can see it. Now you can see here it is cited and here in the reference section. Okay, so this is just the template you have to use, nothing more.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Our channel is youtube.com/teamVLSI. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.